Hey guys, I'm just today's video is it's special because I won.
That little mouse, cause I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
I won a giveaway to all the friends who bear with me because of me tagging them all the time in all kinds of giveaways, trying to win, trying to believe that giveaways are real. I won a 10,000 rupees worth of makeup as giveaway by gorgeous girls. Look how cute! This giveaway was held by Gorgeous Girls makeup brand and Saloni Mathur. So, just a note, I love that woman. I love Saloni Mathur. She is one of the best makeup artists. She is the most talented, sassy, amazing woman, a very strong, amazing woman who is so talented, who is so good at what she does. So now I'll be showing what are the products that I won. We'll start with this. What is this? I need to. Diamond creamy eyeshadow. This is how it looks. I have used this. Oops. Please can we edit that? Please, please, please. I'll show you how it looks on my wrist. Look how pigmented. Just look at this. Just how do I show it to you? Just look at this. It is so damn pretty. I think there are a lot many products and I can't show you all on my wrist. I'll just wash my hands, I'll come back, and then I don't know how to do this. I really don't know how to do the I don't even know the word. Yeah, I'll just wash my hands and I'll be back. Or should I just get a makeup remover, a cotton, and just keep doing it all over again? Yes! There are 4 highlighters and I love how they look. They are these. Look at this. Wow. I won this. It's for free. So the second one is number 03 of the Vivid Baked Highlighter. A beautiful golden color. It's a beautiful golden highlighter. Just look how pigmented. It can work as an eyeshadow too. It's so beautiful. Bronze. It's a beautiful color. Just look how pretty it looks. Okay, should I just do this instead? Yeah. Wow. It's rose gold. I have 4 highlighters. Can you believe that? Just look at that. So these are the 4 highlighters. So the next thing that I will show you is this banana luxury powder. It's I don't know how to show it to you. I really don't. The high tech matte lipstick. So yeah, this is a very beautiful. There's a little GG printed on it too. Wow. By the way, I love the color red and bold red lipsticks. I love them, and it's a very beautiful. It's more on a pinkish shade, like it's pinkish red, and I really like it. Like, it makes a cute sound too. the thing that I'm most excited about, it's the concealer palette. This is how it looks on the outside, and this is how it looks. Oops. And it has a little transparent covering on it, so that like this, which I intend to keep. I love that it's a multi-purpose concealer palette, because I can use this as a contour too. And yeah, all in all, beautiful, beautiful. I love the concealer palette. I just love it, love it, love it. The next, a bigger eyeshadow palette. It has a little mirror too, and I love it. Hi, I see me. Yeah, so this is the palette. I usually am a matte look kind of girl. I don't really like very glossy or shimmery or that kind of look usually. If I'm going to a club or if I'm going to some party, I would really like to glam it up a little. So these colors, these range of colors would actually help me. There's a beautiful black color here, and off-white and white too, and I like it could be a beautiful smoky look, a smoky eye. The green and the blue and the bronze, the golden, I just love it. So yeah, now is the next products are actually, I want to try these the most. 10 different colors of kajals right now. It's a kajal lover's paradise, and I really hope that when I open one right now, should I open all of them? Should I open one? I think I should open all of them. Okay, so the first one I opened is the green colored. We'll say it together. This was just one stroke. I love it. Oh my god, this can be an eyeshadow too. Oh my god, just I hope you can see it, how shimmery and pigmented this is. Oh my god, I'm in love with Gorgeous Girl products. There are two blues, but one is a little lighter shade of blue and one is the dark one. So this is the second one. Wow. So this is a darker shade of blue. See, there is a difference. There is a difference in the two blues, and I love it. The next color is, oh wow, I can use these as, this is the golden color. Like, I don't know if you can see it through the, in the video, but in real life it's beautiful. And you know what, if I don't want to carry palettes, I can just take the kajal sticks. They're multi-purpose, and I love it. I love multi-purpose products. Like, I love the brown lipstick. I love brown lipstick because they can be I'll do it while opening. They can be good for, obviously, lipsticks, for contours, for eyeshadow too. Comment down below if you want me to do that once, just try a look with just lipstick, because I've done that a lot. Found myself in situations where I have to go somewhere quickly and I just have a lipstick in my bag, because that's the one thing you'll find in my bag all the time, lipsticks. So this is, oh my god, what color is this? It's oh, now we were talking about the brown color, and yup, it's bronze. It's not really brown. It's a nice color. This is the black color. We'll still try that. We know what it looks like, but still. Oh no, it's silver. It's not black. It's silver. It's, wow. I like small surprises. Oops. So something happened. that's okay. Nothing happened. But yeah, it is black. You see the difference? There is another silver. This is probably lighter than before. Oh wow, I really like this color. This is silver, this is grey, and this is black. Wow, a perfect smoky eye. A perfect smoky eye. So this is another green. I'll just do it beside this so that we can, see if there's. Oh wow, it's peacock green. It's aqua. That's the word. See the difference? It's beautiful. What is this color? Oh, it's baby pink. Baby pink kajal. It's baby. Okay. Baby pink kajal. I want to use this. Okay. So we are done. I don't know how I got this lucky. I really don't know how I got this lucky. I love you, Saloni Mathur. I love you. Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The mess. Just look at the mess. Okay, bye.